Jai Hind everyone. Today is my lecture topic is Middle East crisis. Basically, Middle East region it contains ongoing wars, diplomacy, trade, surpluses, and also medical assistance problems, and also like ongoing war of the Israel Hamas. So talking about history, the Middle East region, the boundary contains after the fall of the Ottoman Empire, and boundaries were made by the powers like the France and also through the British. And talking about like the areas of the conflict, so after the Syria war, it was going to a peace, but for the opposition of the Bashar al-Assad government. But after the involvement of the major powers like US and Russia, it turns into the battleground. And also like Israel-Palestinian conflict is major one of the major conflict, and it is ongoing after the 1948. And also like the and also Iran's ambition to become a nuclear power capable country and is to become a origin and also to become the major one of the major influencer of the Middle East region. It gives a regional instability to the Israel and also to the Iran, and also Houthis and Yemen. Houthis and also Hezbollah has been backed by the Yemen government, and that's the region. So talk about like challenges, like the one of the major countries of the Israel Hamas and also like the countries of the Middle East region, they also depend on the supply of the oil. So fluctuations of the oil, it gives them instability and also it gives them a hamper of their economy and also their trade surplus. And also like the in the Middle East region, the population is young, so they faces unemployment, and also their and also their establishment hampered hamper. And also if I talk about like US have imposed sanctions on the Iran and also like Syria, so that's how their it hampers their GDP and also it hampers their trade circulation. And also like the Israel Hamas ongoing conflict and the blocking of the Gaza Strip, it gives a humanitarian blockade and also humanitarian cruelty. So talking about like how it will be solved through the diplomacy. In the past, there is a Geneva Convention and also like Abraham Accord and also like Oslo Accord for the Israel Hamas, Geneva Convention for Syria, and Abraham Accord for Qatar and Bahrain. It enhances their punctuality and also becomes a good peaceful resolution. So like the major powers like US and Russia, they have to become the minority majority to organize a peace talk between the countries like Israel Hamas and also Israel Hamas, and giving them a peace. And also like they have to enhance their trade they have to enhance their bonding and also trust to each other, then the peace will be comes. And also the